Welcome back to the Nobody No Safe podcast.
With your boy Zarnok and Bigfoot. A long time when I do a podcast. We have something, we have some topics to talk about. It's been a while, yes. We have talked about the election and some more stuff. So a third term for Bro God. What you think about that? It's good look. Let him finish what him start. He make some good progress. I'm sure the people them like that. No doubt. I know the other party not like that. But I saw it go. It go. That is it on that topic. Me not say no more about that. Let's talk about them big man. We reach 40 and still no grow up. Them a push waste man status. You'll always have jokes. And your friend them, you have to teach them better. Anyway, what you have to consume, you have no food. You should bring your own food. Me can't do a podcast on an empty stomach. It look like you have to walk with a food truck. Bottomless. No, sir. See how you treat me. Me I go a KFC after the podcast for a meal. Deal. I get me a zinger box and a pineapple ginger. Anyway, people, that's all for the podcast today. Stay tuned until next time. You don't want to miss next time. Zarnok's brother, I search for him.